Welcome to the BIT telecast. Let us reach out for what's in the feed for us in BIT today. We are proud to announce a remarkable achievement by Bannari Institute of Technology in the 5G Innovation Hackathon 2026 organized by the Department of Telecommunications, Ministry of Communications, Government of India under the prestigious 100 5G Use Case Labs initiative. Representing our institute, a team of talented student innovators has been selected for the Pragati Phase prototype development stage after successfully clearing a highly competitive national level evaluation process. The selected project, Aerial Emergency and Rescue Operation System, is an innovative drone-based 5G standalone communication solution designed to provide rapid restoration of wireless connectivity in disaster-affected areas, remote villages, and regions where conventional communication infrastructure is unavailable or damaged. The project integrates advanced technologies including Line SDR Mini 2.0, the AEROS run open source 5G platform, and an NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin-based artificial intelligence optimizer to enable intelligent drone deployment, autonomous network optimization, and resilient emergency communication services. The student innovation team comprising Yogeshwaran, Brinda S, and Neha R.A. under the expert guidance of Dr. Liban Moses M. and Dr. Karthikeyan S. has been awarded a prototype development grant of Rs 1 lakh in recognition of their exceptional innovation and technical contribution. As part of the next phase, the team will develop and validate the AEROS prototype with expert mentorship and gain access to the nationwide ecosystem of 100 DOT supported 5G use case labs for advanced testing and refinement. Over the coming weeks, the team will develop and validate the AEROS prototype, which will be evaluated by a technical expert evaluation committee based on innovation, technical excellence, scalability, implementation feasibility, and social impact. Outstanding projects will be showcased at the India Mobile Congress 2026, India's premier telecommunications and digital technology event. With a note of appreciation, we would like to thank all the heads, faculty members, and parents who pledged their unending support for students to achieve their goals. You have just viewed the tip of the iceberg of achievements by our students. Stay tuned, this is BIT at a glance, a serene place for learning and discovery. Thank you.